Right, what are we making today? Well, I don't know whether you can tell from just by looking at that, but that is the traditional Philippines dish of chicken adobo, with this time with sweet potato on the top there. So I think we better get started, didn't we? Rightio. This is from Yummy and Easy 101, their channel. This is their recipe, so I will put a link in the description below. Hello and welcome to my cooking channel. This is John here. Today we are going to make, well, I'm going to make a recipe from another cooking channel, that's Yummy and Easy 101. Yummy and Easy 101. They have a recipe for chicken adobo. Not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. It's a traditional Philippines dish. This is her take on it, or his take on it, and I'm going to try and replicate it, mainly because I'm so interested in what this tastes like, because it sounds like it could be one of my go-to meals. This can be served with some rice and other whatever you choose, I guess. In the end, once you've made it, you'll taste the flavours and decide what to put with it. Anyway, we've got some the chicken there is from 3 chicken legs, so that's the drumstick plus the thigh. I've deboned them completely, and that's the meat that's left over. We've got some white vinegar, black pepper, garlic, red onion. I've got some salt reduced soy sauce here, because there's 1/3 of a cup in this recipe, so you don't want it too salty. I've got extra virgin olive oil to fry the sweet potato. I've got some turmeric there, red chili flakes, and some spring onions for putting over the top. So, without any further ado, I'm going to chop up these vegetables, and then I'll meet you back when we start cooking. Alright. And there we have it, all the vegetables all chopped up. We're now going to pop those sweet potato into the frying pan. Right, now when you do these, be very careful, because they do tend to brown and burn easily. So just get your tongs. I'll get mine. And you can just turn them over every now and again, have a wee look before you turn the whole lot. As you can see, after a while they'll start to puff up. Once they are cooked on the other side, I'm going to put them in a bowl and leave them in the oven so they keep warm and cook right through. So I'm only going to put them in at like 100 degrees, okay? And they can stay there until the rest of the chicken's done. Right, so that's in with the garlic. Not very long at all. I think that's enough. In with our red onions. Now the pan's quite hot, and I don't want to So we've got the garlic in there, and we've got the red onions. Oops. So the garlic, 30 seconds at the most. Red onions have been in there for about 2 minutes now. Time for our chicken. I'll just let that brown in there. Now we've got some other ingredients. Got some small grind of black pepper. We've got 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric. We've got 1/4 of a teaspoon of red chili flakes, which is about that. Very accurate, as you can see. And then we have, now you'll probably notice that the measurements are a little bit different because I've got less meat in here, so it's not going to be a whole half cup of soy sauce. It's going to be 1/3 of a cup, and likewise just 1/3 of a cup of vinegar. Once I've put this in, we'll give it a stir through, and then we'll cover it up for 15 minutes to make sure that the chicken cooks properly. So I'll just give that a stir. And that smells absolutely divine. Oh my gosh. So we'll just cover that for 15 minutes and then we'll come back. Right, with the chicken all cooked, we are now ready to serve. So, and I can tell you, I've just tasted this. It's just absolutely gorgeous. They're beautiful juices infused with the garlic and flavoured with the soy, and the vinegar is absolutely beautiful. So we'll take half of these, just sprinkle them over there, and then we'll just place, they're a bit hot, they've just come out the oven, a sweet potato over the top like that, and then a few more spring onions, and look at that. That is absolutely and utterly ready to go. So thank you, a big thank you to the cooking channel Yummy and Easy 101. I will leave a link below, plus the recipe itself in the description, but there'll be a link there so you can click on to Yummy and Easy 101 and have a look at their other recipes, which I'm sure are going to be absolutely yummy and easy. So anyway, I'm excited to try this, and I will catch you guys on the next recipe.